If you're one of those people that believe that old wigs should be thrown away, allow me to change your mind, because in this video, I'm going to be making a new wig from this old wig. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I make videos on wig making and hair ventilation. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe as you watch this video. Thank you. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have my lace closure ready for the wig we're about to make. And this particular lace closure is a 4x4 free part lace closure, which I made myself. If you want to watch the video of how I did that, I'll be linking it in the description. So if you want to make yours, just watch that video. It's a very simple and detailed tutorial on how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is to pin down this old wig and take it down. We're going to remove the weft attached to the wig cap, remove everything, then construct a new wig.